Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For my video today, I have another unboxing. This one is Hermes, which I'm really excited about. It's my first genuine brand new Hermes item, but at the same time it is shoes, and I know, yes, I know. I just unboxed some shoes last week, but I can't help it. I love shoes. I am shoe obsessed. Far more than bags or anything else. I just love shoes. So I'm going to show you my brand new Hermes shoes in this video. If you are new here, welcome in. My name is Chris. I do videos on luxury, handbags, shoes, fashion over 50, and fun stuff like that. So if that is something you are interested in, I would love it if you would subscribe. Okay, so let's get into the unboxing. All right, so I have already mentioned this is an Hermes unboxing, which means that I got something from Hermes, right? And I have to say, there is no Hermes store near me. There is one about 2 hours away, which is kind of difficult. So I can't really buy too many things from Hermes. However, they do have a great website, so if you ever check them out, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I have this unboxing, and I just want to say kudos to Hermes because this is the box right here. And holy moly, it is like Fort Knox. When I got this box, I didn't even know where to cut because they have this really super strong fabric tape everywhere, and I was like, which one of these ends is going to open this box? So I kind of took like a pocket knife and I went along all the sides, and I was thinking one of these is bound to open it. So a shout out to Hermes for their security, because they have the most secure boxes I've ever seen in my life. Like seriously, I could barely open this thing. Nevertheless, I did actually open it, and so you can see here it does have a flap, and when I finally did open it, it has this beautiful, beautiful orange box inside with the brown ribbon that says Hermes Paris. And you know, I just love the presentation. It's absolutely top quality, absolutely beautiful, and I've got my, you know, information right here. So I'm going to put that aside. So here's the orange box with the ribbon, and I am going to try not to untie the ribbon. I'm just going to slide the ribbon off so that I can actually get into the box. So yes, this is shoes. It's actually sandals. And the reason that I bought it now in February is because I know from previous experience that when I have tried to get this item in season, anywhere from probably like April or May on through to August, you really can't find it. It is sold out in my size or in the color that I want. So I decided to shop early this year. So I actually did pick up this pair of sandals, and I'm super excited about these because I wanted them for a really long time, and I just have not gotten around to it. So here they are in their beautiful box. Again, the orange box. I'm just going to open it up, and you can see that they also have gorgeous little dust bags for each of the shoes. So I will reveal that these are sandals, and you could probably figure out what they are. I do want to mention though that what I love about Hermes is that the box does not have any labeling on it. So it's really just very understated, and you can use it for anything. So there are a lot of shoe companies that actually have like the name brand and the size and everything, but not Hermes. They do it a little bit differently, and I've never bought anything brand new from Hermes before, so I was real excited and interested to see what the presentation would be like. So I've got two little dust bags here for each of the shoes, and they have a beautiful little drawstring at the top. The quality is very, very nice, and then when you take your shoe out, there it is. So probably no one is surprised I actually got the Oran sandals. So I love these sandals. I think they're fantastic, and I've been eyeing them for so long, probably like 2 or 3 years. However, I just never thought that I would go ahead and indulge in them because I feel like they were really like way more expensive. And in actuality, I did buy like a dupe. I bought a dupe from Steve Madden, and I was really disappointed in the dupe because although the top portion was leather, the base of the dupe is actually man-made. So it's like a PVC, and it just completely cracked. So even though I hardly wore the sandals, I probably wore them throughout one season. So maybe like from May to September for one season. And already all of this down here was cracked completely because it was a PVC. So looking at them at the end of the season, I realized, number one, that you never get shoes that are not leather because they crack. But the other thing is, like, I wore them in the house. I wore them out of the house. I wore them every day, and I love them because they were so versatile and easy to put on and off. And I thought, what am I waiting for? I might as well just go ahead and get the Hermes because in reality, the Hermes is going to be a much better quality. So I bought them early. They have full size range. They have full color range on the website right now, which was great because every time I have tried to find these in my size, I've never been able to, and which is why I bought the dupes in the first place. You know, I wanted a pair of the Oran sandals, and I wanted them in this particular color. I wanted them in my size. They didn't have my size because they do sell out very quickly in season. So I decided I would just shop real early, and consequently I was able to get them. And let me just give a shout out to Hermes because I ordered them on a Monday morning and I got them on Tuesday afternoon. And that was free shipping, guys. So I was super excited about that. Now the closest Hermes store to me is about 2 hours away. And it, you know, that's a long way to drive for just, you know, a shoe. So I thought that I would try to get them online, and I'm so happy that I did because, like I said, the service was great. I got them within a day. It was free shipping, and they had my size. The presentation is beautiful. The exterior box does not in any way say Hermes, so you don't have to worry about anybody stealing it off your front porch or anything like that. And the quality of the shoe is just beautiful. So looking at the base of the shoe, you can see that it is completely all leather. This is a size 37. I usually take a 36.5 to a 37.5 depending on the shoe brand. But beautiful leather sole, which is so nice. And then the leather footbed here with a really nice padding. So the padding makes it that much more comfortable. And then of course you have the leather strap shaped like an H. So I'm really excited about these because I wore the other ones to death, and literally to death because they're so beat up because of the fake leather on them that I can't even wear them anymore. I feel like, you know, they're all cracked, and I just don't want to take those other ones out anywhere because you don't want to be seen in cracked and ripped shoes. And so I thought I'll just go ahead and get these Hermes Oran sandals. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna bite the bullet, and I'm so happy that I did. So this is obviously the left sandal. Let me unwrap the right one. Looks exactly the same, of course. So comes in this beautiful little orange box, and then you have your sandals here, and they have the they just smell so good too because they have the leather sole, and they have the leather upper, and they have the leather lining, and they do have a beautiful little soft footbed right here. Now, one thing I did notice about these, I got them in a 37. I never quite know about designer shoes because some run kind of narrow and small, and I had to take a guess because I was buying these online. I wear between a 6.5 and a 7. In actuality, one of my feet is slightly larger than the other, and so I try to get the closest match. I don't normally have any issues really. I can go with a 6.5 or 7, but when I put these on, I felt like the right foot was a little bit looser. So my plan here, rather than to return them and get a 36.5, which would probably be time consuming, and I don't really think it's necessary because the left one fits perfectly. I feel like I'm just going to put in like a little, what are those things called? Like just a little thing in the footbed so that I can stop my foot from sliding out of it. So they're actually just a little bit wider than I had expected, to be honest with you. But I love them. I think they're beautiful, and they smell good, and they look gorgeous. They're so timeless. They're so classic, and the fact that they are Hermes, of course, adds to it. So I'm just really, really happy with these sandals. So excited. Can't wait to wear them. Waiting for the warm weather to come around so that I can actually wear them. But in reality, like I said before, every time I tried to buy them in season, like anywhere from May until September, they never have my size and the color that I want. So I decided to go ahead and get them early this year, and I'm really, really happy that I did. So I'm going to leave a couple little shots of me modeling these shoes because they are so beautiful, and I'm so, so happy and so excited to have my very, very first brand new Hermes item. And I hope you did enjoy this video. So if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I appreciate your comments. I love hearing from you guys, and I hope that you would subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Take care.